Hi guys, welcome to Tasty Marination. Today I am going to show you how to make vegetable sandwich. These are very easy and quick to prepare and perfect option for snacking. These sandwiches you can try for your kids lunch box and tiffin box. To make this sandwich we will need 1 grated onion, 1 grated beetroot, 1 grated cucumber, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of mint and coriander chutney, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, salt and pepper to taste, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 2 tablespoons of save, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 4 slices of bread. First, you have to squeeze the water out from all the vegetables, otherwise your sandwich will get soggy. I have already squeezed the water out. You can use either brown bread, white bread or multigrain bread, whichever bread you want. You can just use it. Not only the bread slices, you can make it with hot dog or burger buns. Bread should be firm. Let's start with the procedure of making sandwiches. In a bowl, add onions, beetroot, grated beetroot, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and chaat masala. Now I am going to mix everything together. Mix it properly. So our beetroot and onion stuffing is ready. Now I am ready to make cucumber filling. In a mixing bowl, add the grated cucumbers, mint and coriander chutney, black pepper, chaat masala, mayonnaise and salt to taste. Mix it properly. Now our cucumber filling is ready. Now I am gonna apply some butter on the bread slices. Apply ketchup on one slice of bread. And mint and coriander chutney on the other slice. Spread it evenly. Now spread the beetroot and onion stuffing over it. I like lots of filling. and cover it with the other slice of bread. Press it slightly so that it sticks together. Now spread the filling evenly. Sprinkle some save on top of it. It adds more crispness and it looks very pretty. Cover it with the other slice of bread and press it slightly so that it will stick. Now I am going to spread cucumber filling on this slice of bread. I like lots of filling. Again, sprinkle some save on top of it. And cover it with the other slice. If you want, you can keep the edges, but I am going to cut the edges. Just take off all the crust from all around. Let's do the another one. Now I am going to cut into triangles. You can see the nice colorful stuffing in between. Let's cut the another one. I have cut them into triangles. Let's get ready for the plating. Our sandwich platter is ready. I have decorated it with a carrot flower and I have some salad on the side. This is perfect tea time or anytime snack recipe and loved by all age groups. Hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Tasty Marination for more such recipes.